Hey Finxters! I'm super excited to welcome you to this machine learning course. Now I'm going to try and make this course the most structured course on machine learning that you can find online, and I will dive into each and every topic one by one in great depth. So I hope you are excited to join this journey with me and learn machine learning. So let us try and have a look what the internet has to say about machine learning. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Now, what does that mean? As a human being, how do you learn? You learn from your experiences. But how does a machine or a system learn? How about a human being able to teach a machine what to do? That is, the machine is learning from the human being. That is what machine learning helps us to do. That's why it says it is an application that provides systems or machines like robots the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience. Now, how does a machine learn? A machine learns from the experiences that it gets after analyzing the object or the human being or the subject that it has to imitate. Now there is a lot to it which we will be covering in this course in great depth. As of now, let us have a look at the different applications of machine learning. This is because you must be aware why to learn machine learning, and I'm pretty sure that once you understand the use cases and the applications of machine learning, you will be super duper excited to join this course with me. So let us have a look at the applications one by one. It is used in image recognition. It is then used for automatic language translation. It is used for medical diagnostics. It is used for spam email and malware filtering. It is used for stock market trading. Then it is used for product recommendations. It is used to program virtual personal assistant. It is used for traffic predictions. It is used for self-driving cars. It is used for speech recognition. And machine learning can also be used for online fraud detection. So you can see the huge scope that machine learning covers and makes our life quite easy. Now these are quite a lot of terms, but you might be thinking, what is image recognition? What is speech recognition? We do not know what these things do. So let us have a look at a few day-to-day examples where we use machine learning without actually knowing that we are using a machine learning algorithm which helps to make our life easy. These are some of the examples that use or implement machine learning. And if you remember, I talked about virtual personal assistants, and I'm quite sure that many of you might have worked with virtual private assistants. Now since I'm using Windows 10, I also have an access to a virtual private assistant. Its name is Cortana. Would you like to have a look at what this virtual private assistant can help me to do? Let's have a look. Open Google Chrome.
Alright, starting Google Chrome.
And there we go. As soon as I instructed the virtual private assistant to open up Google Chrome for me, it did it for me automatically. Now let me try and ask Cortana what it can do for me. What can you do? And there we go. It lists all the functionalities that it can provide to me in the menu that you can see on the screen. So that's quite a lot. And not just this, it also learns from our feedbacks. Now all of this works with the help of a machine learning algorithm. Now let us discuss another use case. I'm quite sure many of you must have used the voice search feature in Google, and this is also an application of machine learning. So let's have a look at that quickly. How are you? Now I simply said that and Google voice search helped me with all the results available on the internet. So that's how cool it is, and that's the power of machine learning. Again, I'm quite sure many of you must have used the Google Translator. This also works on a machine learning algorithm. So let's have a quick look at how that works. Let us type something in English. How are you? And now let us try and convert that in Spanish. And as you can see, we have the results automatically. That is, what I typed in English was automatically converted to another language. Now let's have a look at another example. I'm quite sure many of you must have used the Google Maps many a times. This also works on machine learning algorithms. And have you ever used Netflix or maybe Amazon? Indeed, many of you have done that. Now, once you create your account in Netflix, Netflix tries and identifies the shows, the movies, and the content the particular user might be interested in. And how does it predict that? Or how does it promote its contents based on the user's choice? It does so with the help of a machine learning algorithm. And so is the case with Amazon. It lists or it promotes products that you might be frequently visiting, and then it undergoes a machine learning algorithm, and later when you visit Amazon again, you get to see the products that you might or you are most likely to buy. And have you heard of Uber? Yeah, it also works on a machine learning algorithm. Be it traffic detection or a weather report, all of these can be computed with the help of machine learning algorithms. And machine learning is not just limited to this. It can also help in medical diagnostics. You might be amazed to know that machine learning can even help to identify cancerous cells. The value of machine learning in healthcare is its ability to process huge datasets beyond the scope of human capability and then reliably convert analysis of that data into clinical insights that aid physicians in planning and providing care, ultimately which leads to better outcomes, lower costs of care, and many more other advantages. The list goes on and on, be it YouTube or Facebook. We have machine learning algorithms implemented everywhere. And now I hope you have enough reasons to learn machine learning. Now before wrapping up this video, I just want to touch upon the types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Now I'm not going to go into these topics in details as of now. All I want you to know is that machine learning can be broadly divided into these three types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. We are going to cover each and every topic or each and every type along with all the algorithms that come under them in great details. Not only will we have a look or understand the concepts, but we will also have a look at practical examples. Now, my only request to you is that once you learn or understand a particular topic or a particular concept, please practice that, practice an example, and have a look how it works. Because until and unless you visualize things, you won't understand how that works. Now, this is going to be a huge topic, so please stay tuned. And if you have time, please join me in the next video where we shall be learning pre-processing. And yeah, just a disclaimer, you must be comfortable with Python because I will be covering machine learning in Python. You can also use R, but as of this course, we are going to focus on machine learning in Python, especially because of the range of libraries that it offers to us.